Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and how-tos. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset the Wi-Fi on your Ring doorbell. Whether you've changed your Wi-Fi network or just need to reconnect, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Put the Ring doorbell into setup mode. The first step is to put your Ring doorbell into setup mode. To do this, remove the faceplate from the doorbell. Depending on your model, you may need a special tool that came with your Ring doorbell. Once the faceplate is off, locate the small setup button on the side of the doorbell. Press and hold this button for about 10 seconds. You'll know it's in setup mode when the light on the front starts spinning. Step 2. Open the Ring app. Next, open the Ring app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're logged in, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner, then select Devices. Choose your Ring doorbell from the list. Step 3. Reconnect to Wi-Fi. Now, tap on Device Health. Here, you'll see an option to change Wi-Fi network or reconnect to Wi-Fi. Tap on that. The app will guide you through the steps to reconnect your Ring doorbell to your new Wi-Fi network. Make sure you have your new Wi-Fi password handy. Step 4. Complete the setup. After entering your new Wi-Fi credentials, the Ring doorbell will take a moment to connect. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation in the app. You can test the connection by ringing the doorbell and checking if the notification pops up on your phone. Conclusion. And that's it. Your Ring doorbell is now connected to your new Wi-Fi network. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.